come the Pharohas. Dave. Here comes Teresa in the caddy. Here comes Mike and Lisa in their new truck. Got another old van coming. I'm gonna wait on him. Check this out. It's almost like a creeper van. Hey, we're in Chloride, Arizona for their St. Patrick's Day celebration. I'm going to give you a little show with the cars. We're also going to take a quick trip just to see what Chloride is. It's an old mining town. It's tiny. And when I say tiny, I mean super, super tiny. But it's really cool to see. So I'm going to give you a little glance at that. And we'll be checking out all the cars that came for the parade. All right, we've got the off-road vehicle sitting over here. They look like they're having a lot of fun.
We're working on it.
You're working on it. I was going to say, I'm not going to ask what's in those.
Water.
It's soda.
Soda,
Yes.
yeah.
But it's poison soda.
Just a good old Irishman.
An Irish soda. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, we see what...
If you think we're full of baloney, you're probably not.
See, I'm telling you, you come to Arizona and you never know what you're going to find.
That's for sure.
Especially chloride.
Well, I wasn't going to go that far because I don't want beat up, but we got people out selling all kinds of goodies. The whole town, this is their... To me, it's the big event of the year. It's the only time I ever go to Chloride. And yeah, it's an old mining town, and it's cool. If you're ever driving by here, it's between Kingman, Arizona, and Las Vegas. You can come by. Oh my God, you're not going to believe what we're coming up on. You can stop through here. They've got a nice little restaurant, some shops, and okay, I came for the cars. Usually I get the dogs, but we had
Jelly Bean, a goat.
Was Jelly Bean here last time?
No, she was at the fair this September.
Oh, look at her. Is she cute or what? She's the St. Patrick's Day goat.
Yes, she is. She's my wild Irish doe.
Oh, I love her.
Well, thank you. We do too. She's one of our therapists at the rescue.
Oh, she is.
We have horses. If the kids are afraid, they can pet Jelly Bean.
Well, she is adorable. You are adorable, girl. Well, as if a goat dressed in St. Patrick's Day wasn't enough, I don't know where she's going with this, but they're going to have bed races maybe. You got to check this out. She's trying to park her bed. This is a rat rod bed, I do believe. Look at this. We call that a rat rod.
This was in the parade a couple years ago. Our picture's in their little paper in there. We got first place.
I was going to say, this is like a rat rod bed.
Oh yeah, if I could put a motor on there.
I got some guys I can hook you up with today.
We did the bed race here with that. I found
Yes.
these pieces in my backyard, them rusty rails,
Uh-huh.
and made it into a bed. My girlfriend helped me, she's not here anymore.
You need a motor on that. I'm all for that. All right. Like I said, you never know what we're going to see here in Chloride. We've got cute little trailer. I like that trailer. Little old trailer. Come over here this way, and we will go by here. I'm just giving you the grand tour here. We got cars, but there's more to Chloride than just cars. I'm gonna move you back a little. Look at this. And here we go. We're looking into the sun, so it's not the best picture. That's one of the Arizona Pharohas. And we saw goats and now we see doggies. All right. I know what I'm doing here. I'm turning circles. There's just so much to see. Yes, and they're having an old Western gunfight down the street over here. I'm going to walk backwards so I don't get hit by a car. Here we go. Look at this, the trading post. This is yesterday's steakhouse. You can come over here, have a drink, get some good grub while you're in Chloride. Yes, yes, yes. I love this stuff over here. And I can't miss this one. Hang on. Somebody's posing. There you go. We have been showing doggies, cars, and goats. We got a goat dressed in a costume.
Oh, really?
I said, you never know when you come to Arizona. It's just no holds barred. All right. Motorcycles in. I'm not sure tourist information. I'm not sure what all these shops are. Look at this old train. Is that cool or what?
Tractor.
It's a tractor? Yeah, it is, huh? Okay, shows what I know. That is cool. Yeah. I'm assuming it's steam because that's where you'd put your wood in right there. I can tell you what, whoever sat on that seat very long had a tougher butt than I do. Those are metal, steel wheels. Awesome. All right, here's some cars parked over here. I'm gonna see if I can get them for you. Look at that.
Looks like an old Volvo.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's maybe y'all know for sure what it is, but yeah, we're guessing an old Volvo. There it is. And this next little truck beside us. I love this paint. It is a maroonish purple, depends on how you get in the sun. I love this. No door handles. Nice wheels. Oh, this is a pretty truck. Dang. Look at that. Oh. I like it. Then we have an old Plymouth Satellite. Look at this. Nice. And we all know what this is. I actually thought there was a couple of lowriders over here. Saw an Impala. There it is. Beautiful. Here we go. Here's that car. It's rolling. And we found the rat milk. Hey, your husband was looking for you and then he gave up.
She's getting I'm standing here.
There you go. There's Cecil's milk truck. And let me tell you what, if you see that thing roll up your driveway in the morning, lock your doors, get in the bomb shelter.
That's what happens every time I go in there.
You do not want this delivering milk. I always expect to see him in like a some crazy clown costume getting out of this. Freak out little kids.
They were crazy, so we just have to. Well, we have now.
They're over here decorating their car, getting ready for the parade.
Yeah, I like that.
I like it. I like that color. And the green goes good.
I know the purple and green are great together.
Yeah.
The opposite colors attract.
Yes. You girls are going to light up the parade now.
Yeah. Excellent. As soon as we hit the bathroom.
Yeah, well, we know how that goes. You always have to do that.
Yeah.
And we have the old Bel Air sitting back here.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
We have a giant beer in a truck. I mean,
A giant beer.
yeah. And they're all getting lined up for the parade. Yeah. Oh, there it is. It's an actual giant beer. There goes Cecil and Gloria lining up. I'm gonna have to get over there too if I don't fall down. Nice old car. And we're gonna be checking out the parade. Okay, we're still lining up for the parade. Check this out. Old tractor, got their God, guns, and Trump flag, and their American flag. And then we have, this is so cute, look at this. Let me get over here, well, maybe we can see it. They've got, okay, oh, aliens. They've got everything on here. Well, that's just cute as a bug's ear. And they are going to be in the parade. They got their numbers on and they're ready. All right, here we go. Pretty sure there have been murders committed in this. Check it out. It almost looks like the Scooby-Doo one. Look at that. Kind of cool. Although it's kind of creepy at the same time.
Affected by something. So we would love to have the gunfighters come up here and let's give them a big old thanks. Okay,
We are lined
so be
up.
sure and go back to the Cyanide Springs
Ready
area.
for
this is Chris
the parade.
Borowski.
There's going to be a color guard.
How dare I know. And this is Miss Fancy, but I like to call her Blazing Britches. Because she, one time, I know, but you know what? When you shoot yourself, it might cause a little fire in your pants. So it sure did. And he is driving a Jeep that he's refurbished that belonged to Nadine's husband, John Thompson. And it's really nice to have it out again. It's been a while. Yay, Nadine! Thank you, Larry! Yeah, we have a gift for Nadine. I'm so glad it's moving, Larry. Here we go. Of ladies that really support, and men, and the men and ladies that support the auxiliary, and we would love to have other volunteers. Flirt. Please come and join them and have some fun with them. We love to support our vets, you know, and we need to support them, please. All right.
And here comes Jelly Bean.
Pickup. It's very cute. Thank you for bringing it out.
This is the queen goat here. She's like, I know you. All right.
Okay, so this
We
is
are
Jelly Bean, our white
moving
Irish
on.
doe. Yeah. Thank you for bringing her out. Goats breaking wind, goats of wrath, goats gone wild. Goats to the All right, thanks for bringing her out.
Check out that little Shriner car.
Got a leprechaun.
Too cute. Kingman, Arizona Shriners. They got a big old doggy. Here we go. Now we're gonna get the cars. Out of Kingman. Mary in the tea bucket. That's it. The girls are showing him up. They got a siren on this tractor. Big old thermal. Followed by Cecil and Gloria in the rat milk. There's that little car we saw earlier. We're not real sure what that is. They put the rat rods, most of them in the back, away from the farm critters. And here we go. We got some motorcycles. I'll see if they're gonna roll through quick. The ladies. Yes, these are all ladies on their motorcycles. Well, some of them have some mustaches, so I'm a little concerned. They're having fun. Then we have the eyebrow specialist. Oh my, he's got some nice eyebrows. I want some of those.
Come get them done.
Yeah, I need that, boy. We got a nice old that. And here we go. Here, we've got the horses. I'm going to stay out of their way. I'll get in the road with a car, but not a horse. Look at how pretty. Yeah, we put them good ways in front of the rat rods. Don't want them scared. We've been down that road before. We know how that goes. Can't have a parade without horses and a goat. Chilling on Beale. They do that down in Kingman, Arizona. I believe it's Saturday night. There's Mike and Lisa, Mike's new truck. How's she running? You like it? It looks cute. More Pharohas out of Arizona. Bright and cheery here. They came all the way over to Chloride, which you may not think that's far, but with the gas prices today, it is. Put the quiet ones up here. And we see this car quite often. Got the convertible, the Judge. This is over at the Kingman, Arizona shows I go to. We see them quite often. And here we go. We got some old school flamage going. I don't know what this is. President Studebaker. I have no idea. That is cool though. I don't see one of those very often. I love that back window. Oh, there's Smiley! You're going so slow.
Yeah, I know.
Does it hurt when you go that slow?
Yeah.
There he is. The only time we ever see him that he's not just a flash. All right. Got a big old Dodge truck. Here we go, convertible. These are so cool when you see how this lifts up and it goes right in that trunk. Yes, yes, yes. Check out this green. That is St. Patrick's Day. Holy moly.
Right here.
You can't get no more St. Patrick's than that car, let me tell you what. And I'm just walking down the line. I was gonna wait for him to come to me. But, holy smokes, look at this. That is grateful. I like that.
Thank you. Royalty, they call it.
I was gonna say, every little girl here is gonna go, that's my car, it's purple.
But the name of the car is Suit Suit. C-O-O-T, Suit. Suit Suit.
I call it.
Because I have a suit the same color when we go out.
That I'd like to see.
I have pictures, I'll show you later.
He's got a purple suit, let me tell you what. There we go. Challenger, we even got new muscle cars coming out. I hear the rat rod's back here somewhere. Yeah, I hear David. Look at these ladies.
Don't like to decorate their car, but then with alcohol, it comes right off, you know.
You grew a mustache. Look at this. They are decked. We got them backed up, so giant beer back there. I'm gonna turn it down and we're gonna run back. Okay, you gotta check this out. Looky there. Too cute. We've got a lady on a stick pony. You can hear the rat rods coming. We got a giant beer. Look at this. I think she had some of that beer there. Look. All right. Here's what everybody came for. Lisa in her Cadillac. Oh yeah, giving the princess wave. Look at that big boy. Followed by Dave. There he is. Then we have Lynn and Judy. Now I'm going to tell you, this is one of the newer rat rods in town. I don't know his name yet, but he's out of the Las Vegas area. There you go. Here we come. Looky here, this is Bruce's car, and his nephew is driving it today. Have you ever been to a parade like this?
No, not yet.
Are you having a blast?
Yeah, we're having a good time.
I knew it. There you go. Uh-oh, there's Wanda. We're in trouble now. These two are in trouble. Kind of moved down out of some people's way. Ooh, a shiny vet. We're gonna walk on through here. Super shiny. And it is followed by a VW. Look at that. She's even got the old coolers and the old gas cans up there. You gotta go all out when you drive that.
Right.
Followed. Ooh, we got several VWs coming up. Look at this. VW bus. They could take a nap in there. And then we have an actual VW. Bullet holes in it.
Real one. Real one.
Well, the rat rod's got it full of, you know.
I got air conditioning. This, they don't got it in those cars.
Actually, that real loud rat rod got air conditioning that's so freaking cold you gotta put your coat on in the summer. That big Cadillac, they could put air in. Yeah, a lot of those guys are putting air in heat. They're like, riding in some of them are bad enough, let alone whenever you got a sweater be cold.
Yeah, you have to have this shot up on. Yeah. All the rest of the stuff.
That's, I watch, I'm like, yeah, I don't want to get too close. I haven't had my shots. Ah, so there you go. We got VWs. Huh?
Kingman VW.
Oh, is Kingman VW? Okay, I didn't know where y'all come out of.
There's other guys, but they couldn't do this, so. We're all gonna be at Boulder. We're gonna be up in Boulder.
When?
The first weekend in April.
Oh, for a VW show?
VW
That-
only show.
I'll see.
Wilbur Park. I want to check it out.
Because April gets real busy with Rat City Ruckus and
Right, yeah, but we do that, so okay.
I know, and the end of March they're having on the 26th, IPOF show for injured police officers in Boulder. There's a lot.
Oh, the showtime.
There you go, another one. Look at this. So many VWs. I like that truck. I'm assuming you call it a truck. Here we go. We saw this a little earlier in the parking lot. She is styling there. Very nice. Bel Air. Now look at this. you doing? Pardon? Yeah. I was going to say, I forgot what it's going on. I saw a goat earlier. That's all I know. A goat with a hat. The rest of y'all just went downhill after that. You can't compete with a goat in a dress with a hat. Nice car, but no goat. 47 Merc. We're coming down the line. Aw, what a horn. How'd y'all get stuck in the back?
Oh, I had to pull off because I was overheating. My electric fan was working. So I had to mess with the wires.
Dadgun old cars.
Well, it's new.
Okay, yep.
Old, it'll be all right.
Up, here we go. Got a convertible vet with a big old poodle in it. And this poodle's been talking to everybody. Oh, apparently that other poodle's his girlfriend. Oh, then that, yeah, he's like, hey, want to play?
Jump in, parade.
He thinks seeing his friend is cooler than the parade. We got a few more down here we're gonna grab. Ooh, some kind of old truck. Fire department, probably for these cars. I don't know what this is. What is it? What is it?
1915 Dodge.
1915 Dodge. Holy cows, boys and girls, look at this. That looks like it came right out of a mine. Look, he's got the tray or the pan with the gold in it. Look at this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he is an actual, just pulled it out of the mining field. That's just awesome. It's a Dodge and it's still going. So there you go. We got proof, boys and girls. Miracles happen. And there you go. We have had a heck of a line. We have seen horses, goats, rat rods, classic cars, some muscle, ladies on motorcycles, and straight out of the mine.
You might know. So please come and visit us. They're loving. Here we go.
tourist trouble. I'm telling you, every time I see them. Are you having fun yet?
Yeah, it's nice. It's a little quaint town. I like it.
Did you
Almost
see the
reminds me of
goat
back
in a
Puerto
dress?
Rico. Huh?
Did you see a goat in a dress with a hat? It's here. And then we have Smiley. And then Teresa in the big Cadillac. Huh? You what?
Don't want to block those guys in.
I don't give a shit, it ain't mine. They should have moved it. Just don't hit that scooter. You're good, because by the time she gets that big old boat in here, ain't nothing gonna get through it to you. So he didn't block you. That's what I said. But she has a hard time backing that. I hope they give her some room. And then here comes Dave. He got left at the end of the line. They forgot about you. They forgot about you. They